Good afternoon, girls. How are you? Hello, girls. How are you all? Good afternoon. I hope that you are all fine and in good health. So, girls, today we'll continue the lesson that we started yesterday, which is dividing by using partial quotient. So we stopped on page 243. I think we solved number 1, right? We solved number 1 and now we will solve number 2. We solved number 2. I think yes, we solved number 2. So let's do now number 3. Let's solve number 3 now. So I want to find the quotient by using partial quotient. Let's start, please. Bring your books, open your books on page 243 to continue. So I want to divide 428 by 4. So girls, let me solve the first one to remember together how we will find the quotient by using partial quotient. I told you the strategy told me that you have to use the repeated subtraction, which is you have to take the divisor here, which is 4, and then you have to multiply the dividend with a number. Choose any number you want. Okay, thank you, Zen, your answer is correct. So I will take the divisor, which is 4, and Zen told me that to take the 100, because look, I have here 400. This is a 100 number, so I will choose 100 and multiply the 100 with the divisor. Okay, now 4 multiply 100 equals what? 4 multiply 100 equals 400. So I will put the answer for this multiplication here and subtract the answer from the dividend. Okay, let's find the number. 8 minus 0 equals 8. Yes, 2 minus 0 equals 2. 4 minus 4 equals 0. Look, the number left with me is 28. So, can I divide 28 on 4? Yes, I can, because 28 greater than 4. So, I will take the divisor, which is 4. And I have to choose any number to multiply it with 4. But I have to think about 28, the number left with me, as we said yesterday. So, which number I will multiply it with 4? The answer will be 28. Which number? Girls, please answer me on the chat. Which number? Thank you, Lana. Your answer is correct. It's 7, because 7 multiply 4, equals 28. That means I will choose this number. As I told you yesterday, you have to choose the number according to the number left with you and the divisor. So 4 multiply 7 equals 28. So I will put the answer for this multiplication here down. Okay. Now let us subtract. 8 minus 8 equals 0. 2 minus 2 equals 0 also. So, girls, there is no number left with me. That's mean what? The answer or the quotient is what? I have to add the numbers that I choose in those 2 steps. So I will add 107. 0 plus 7 equals 7. There is no tens here, so it will be 0. There is no hundreds also, so I will take the 1 and put it down. So the quotient for this division is 107. This is the quotient, okay? So look, to find the quotient, it takes 2 steps for me. This is the first one. This is the second one. That's mean I have 2 parts here, the quotients divided into 2 parts because it takes only 2 steps. Okay, girls? So this is the answer for this division, 107. If you finish, please type on in the chat just one time. Okay, all of you finish. If you don't finish, please type 0. Okay, let's move to number 4. I will erase those. Thank you, Noura. So I will raise this. Is that okay for you? So let's us see number 4. Now number 4, I want to divide 224 on 7. Just 1 minute, girls. So by using partial quotients. So let's see who will help me. I want you to raise your hands, please. Now I will take the divisor as I said and multiply it with a number. So just 1 minute. Yes. Now let's choose Yislana. Open your mic, dear, and
yes, teacher.
Yes, dear. Now I want to use partial quotients. That's mean I have to take the divisor as I said yesterday, and you have to multiply the divisor with a number. Which number you will choose, Lana?
I will choose 10.
10. Okay, Lana will choose 10. So you will multiply the divisor with 10. The answer will be what?
70.
70. So I will put the answer here down and subtract the answer from 224. Subtract with me, please. 4 minus 0 equals?
4 minus 0 equals 4.
Okay, 2 minus 7 equals what?
We cannot subtract from
Very
the
good.
2. We need
2.
We need to take from the other 2.
Very good.
Then and then the 2 will be 12.
Very good. So I have to borrow from the 2, just 1, so it will be 1 as you said, and put it next to the 2, it will be 12. Now 12 minus 7 equals what?
5.
Equals 5. Okay, and there is no hundreds. So the number left with me 154. So can I divide this number on 7?
Yes, because it is higher than 7.
Very good, greater than 7. So I have to multiply the divisor with another number. Choose a number. Okay, Lana, thank you so much. Let's continue with Zain. Yes, Zain, open your mic. Zain?
Yes, teacher.
Yes, I want you to help me to choose any number to multiply it with the divisor.
Okay.
Yes, Zain. Choose any number. I told you the easier number is what? 10. Very good. So I will multiply 7 with 10. So it will be what?
70.
Now let's subtract 70 from 154. Now 4 minus 0.
We will borrow from 4 minus 0 equals 4.
4, very good. Now 5 minus 7.
We will borrow from 1.
Very good. It will be
0 and 5 will be 15.
very good.
And
15 minus 7
minus 7 is 7
equals
8.
very good. 8. Your answer is correct. Thank you, Zain. Let's continue with Bisa. Yes, Bisa, open your mic.
Yes, teacher.
Yes, now can I divide 84 on 7?
AC4 no.
84 84, can I divide it on 7?
No.
No? Look, 84 greater than 7. That's mean I can divide it on 7. I told you yesterday when the number is greater than the divisor, that's mean you can divide it on the divisor. So I will take the divisor, multiply it with the number, and subtract this number from 84. Which number you will choose, Bisan?
10.
10, another 10. 10 multiply 7 equals 70, right? Now, subtract, Bisan. 4 minus 0 equals
4.
equals 4. 8 minus 7 equals?
Equal 1.
Very good. Now, 14, can I divide it on 7?
Yes.
Yes. So I will take the divisor. Which number I will multiply it with 7? The answer will be 14.
2.
Very good. 2. So I will multiply 7 with 2. The answer will be what?
14.
Very good. So if you subtract 14 from 14, the quotient or the remainder will be 0. What's the quotient for this division? Bisan, I have to add all those quotients. So in easy way, 10 plus 10, Bisan, 20. 20 plus 10,
30 and
30 plus 2,
32.
very good. So the quotient is what? Is 30. I have to write it here up. Thank you, Bisan. Thank you, my dear. So this is the way. Now look how many steps I have to do here. 1, 2, 3, 4 steps to find the quotient. Now I want to divide in number 5 259 on or by 7. So let's choose a girl. Yes, Rinad, open your mic.
Yes, teacher.
Yes, dear. I want to take the divisor, multiply it with a number, and then subtract from the dividend. Okay? So,
Okay.
which number I will choose?
10.
Okay, look, girls. Because here in this example, I choose only 10. So how many steps I have to do to find the quotient? 1, 2, 3, 4 steps. So it will take long time. So I will choose number greater than 10, a tenth number. So multiply it with the divisor and subtract the answer from the dividend. No, not 100, Kinsey. No, because 7 multiply 100 equals 700. Can I divide it 700 from 259? No, I can't. So I told you, you have to choose any number you want, but the answer for the multiplication must be less than the dividend. Less than the dividend. This is very important. So, as an example, let's choose 30. Let's choose 30. I will multiply 7 with 30. Let's see the answer for the multiplication. To multiply a number with a tenth number, I have to multiply 7 with 3. 7 multiply 3, Rinad.
7 multiply 3 equal.
Okay, 7 multiply 3 equals 20.
21.
Very good, 21, and I have to put 0 next to the 21, so it will be 200.
Equal 210.
Very good. Now let's subtract. 9 minus 0 equals?
9.
Okay, 5 minus 1?
4 equal.
Okay, 2 minus 2?
0.
Very good. So the number left with me is 49. Now I can divide 49 on 7 because 49 greater than 7. So I will take the divisor, multiply it with a number. Which number I will multiply it with 7? The answer will be 49.
It is.
Okay. Which number Rinat, which number?
30.
7 multiply 7 equals 49, right? So I will choose 7 because 7 multiply 7 equals 49. So the answer for the multiplication is 49. I will subtract it from the number left with me. 9 minus 9 equals what? Equals 0. 4 minus 4 equals what?
0.
So the remainder is 0. Now I will add the quotients. The quotients. 0 plus 7 equals what?
7.
And there is no tens, so that the number will be 37. 37. So I will put it here up. Okay. So look here, because I choose just 10. So look, I have to do 1, 2, 3, 4 steps to find the quotient. But here, because I choose 30, look, it takes only 2 steps to find the quotient. Okay, thank you, Rinad. So this is the difference. Both are correct, but you have to choose the easiest way for you. Now, if you finish, please type 1 in the chat. Quickly, please. Okay. So I will continue to number 6. I will erase only this side. I will leave this side for you. Okay, girls. I will erase only this side. This side I will leave it for you if you don't finish. Now number 6. Number 6. I want to divide 864 on 8. So I will take the divisor, which is 8, multiply it with a number. Which number I will choose? Who will tell me on the chat? Girls, which number I will choose? Let's see, Kayan. Kayan, could you please tell me which number I will choose to find the answer?
Yes, teacher.
Which number you will choose, Kayan?
I will choose
100. Look, because the number, the dividend is 864, as I said yesterday. So if you multiply the 8 with 100, the answer will be 800. Can I subtract 800 from the dividend? Yes, I can. So 8 multiply 100 equals 800. Okay? Let us subtract, please. 4 minus 0 equals 4 minus 0.
0.
4. 6 minus 0 equals
6 minus 0 equals 0.
Equals 6. 8 minus 8 equals
0.
Very good. Now I will continue. Thank you, Kayan. So 64 able to divide on 8. Can I divide it? Yes. So I will take the divisor. The divisor is 8. And which number I will multiply it with 8? The answer will be 64. Kinda, open your mic. Kinda?
Yes, teacher.
Yes, which number I will multiply it with 8? The answer will be 64.
It was 8.
8, very good. 8 multiply 8 equals 64. So I will subtract between 64 and 64. Stop typing on the chat, girls, please. So the remaining will be 0.
So they are typing and I don't I can't see the board.
I know, me too, actually. So girls, please, when you want to type, just type one time, okay? Because the board will be black for some girls. So now I will add 100 with 8. The 100 plus 8 equals what? Equals 0 plus 8 equals Kinda?
0 plus 8 equal 8.
Very good. And there is no 10,
And
so it will, yes.
And 0.
And this one.
And 1.
So the quotient will be 108.
And the quotient will be 180.
8.
108.
Thank you, Kinda. Thank you, my dear. So now I will solve number 7. 738 divided 6. Also, I will take the divisor, multiply it with a number, and then, okay. Don't talk privately, please, to each other. Okay, let's see. Yes, Dana. Dana, open your mic, please. Dana, open your mic.
Yes, teacher.
Yes, dear. Which number I will choose to multiply it with 6 and subtract the answer from 738? Choose a number.
I don't understand.
What, Dana, again?
Say this question.
Okay, I want to choose a number, Dana. I want to choose a number. So sometimes I choose 10, sometimes I choose 100. So which number I will choose to multiply it with 6 and subtract the answer from the dividend? Choose a number, Dana.
10?
No, I want greater than 10. Look, this is 700 in the dividend. 700. 700. So if you multiply 6 with 100, it will be what? 6 multiply 100. Dana.
6 multiply 100.
Yes?
600?
Equals 600. Very good. Can I subtract 600 from 738, Dana?
Yes.
Yes, very good. So I can subtract it from 738. So I will choose 100. 100 multiplied 6 equals 600. So I will subtract this from the dividend. Yes, Dana. 8 minus 0 equals what?
0.
8 minus 0, Dana.
Oh, minus 8 seconds.
3 minus 0.
3.
7 minus 6.
7 minus 6, 1.
What? Now, can I divide 138 on 6, Dana?
No.
Again, can I or not? Look, the number.
Yes,
Because the number greater than 6. This is 138 and this is 6, so I can divide it on it. So I will take the divisor, which is 6, multiply it with a number. Choose a number, Dana. Choose a number. No, I want number greater than 3. I told you, you can choose 10, you can choose 20, you can choose 30, you can choose 100.
Yeah.
So, look, which number I will multiply it with 6, it will give me less than 138. Less than 138. Look, if you, let us choose 10. 10 multiply 6, Dana.
Multiply 6, 16.
60. Let's subtract 60 from 138. 8 minus 0
8 minus 0 equals 8.
equals 8. 3 minus 6.
6.
3 minus 6. Can I take 6 from 3?
Yeah.
Can I take 6 from 3?
Oh, no.
No, I have to borrow from the 1. So it will be 0 and this 3 will be 13. Now 13 minus 6. Put 6 in your mind and count.
6?
Yes, put 6 in your mind and count after 6 on your fingers. 7, 8, 9.
It's 7.
It's 7. Very good. So the number left with me 78. Also 78 I can divide it on 6 because greater than 6. So I will take the divisor. Thank you, Dana. We will stop here with you and continue with Ariam. Yes, Ariam. Which number I will choose to multiply it with 6? Ariam? Ariab? I think Ariab left the session. Okay, girls. Now let's see Zena. Yes, Zena, open your mic. Zena. Okay. Zaina, open your mic. Okay, Kinsey, yes, Kinsey, open your mic. Which number I will choose to multiply it with the divisor? Look, I have 78. Also 10, very good. So 10 multiplied 6 equals what? 60, correct? Now let's subtract 60 from 78. 8 minus 0. 7 minus 6. 1. The number left with me 18. 18, can I divide it on 6? Yes. Which number I will multiply it with 6? The answer will be 18. It's 3. 3 multiplied 6, the answer will be 18. So I will choose 3. So 18 minus 18, Kinsey, equals 0. Now I want to find the quotient, the final quotient. So I have to add all those numbers. 0 plus 3 equals what?
0 plus 3 equals 3.
Very good. 0 plus 1. 1 plus 1.
1 plus 1 equals 2.
Very good. And the hundreds will be only 1. So the quotient will be 123. This is the final quotient.
Like 1, 2, 3.
123. Thank you so much, Kinsey. So if you finish, please type 1 in the chat, girls. Okay, so I will continue to number 8 and 9. Girls, I will erase only this side. I will leave this side for you. So I will erase only this side, and I want to divide 328 on 2. Okay, so I will take the divisor, multiply it with a number, and subtract it from the divided. Okay, so which number I will choose to, very good, Duha, your answer is correct. Which number I will choose to multiply it with the divisor and subtract from the dividend? Your answer is correct, Duha. So I will choose 100, because 100 multiplied 2 equals 200. 100 multiplied 2 equals 200. So I will subtract 200 from the dividend. Okay. 8 minus 0 equals 8. 2 minus 0 equals 2. 3 minus 2 equals 1. The number left with me is 128. Can I divide it on 2? Yes, I can, because it's greater than divisor. Stop typing on the chat, Ariane, please. So I will take the divisor, multiply it with a number, and subtract the number from 128. Which number I will choose? Look, girls, you can here choose 10, but it will take too long time for you. It will take too long steps. So I will choose here 60 as an example. 60. Because 60 multiplied 2 equals what? 60 multiplied 2 equals what? 6 multiplied 2 equals 12. And I have to put 0 next to the answer, so it will be 120. That's mean it will be closer to 128. So I can subtract it from 128. 8 minus 0 equals 8. 2 minus 2 equals 0. 1 minus 1 equals 0. Now, the number left with me is 8. Can I divide 8 on 2? Yes, I can. 8 greater than 2. So I will take the divisor, which is 2, multiply it with a number. Which number I will multiply it with 2? The answer will be 8. Which number I will which number I will multiply it with 2? The answer will be 8. Very good, girls. It's 4. so I will choose 4. 4 multiplied 2 equals 8. So I will subtract it from the 8, so the remainder will be 0. Now to find the quotient, I have to add all those numbers. 0 plus 0 plus 4 equals 4. Now 0 plus 6 equals 6. And the hundreds will be 1. So the answer for this division 164. Okay. Now number 9. I will erase this to solve number 9. Now I want to divide 475 by 5. So I will take the divisor 5 and multiply it with the number. Which number I will choose to multiply it with the divisor? Look, if you want to choose 100, because this number is 5 and divided is 475, so 5 multiply 100 equals 500. 500 I can divide it from 475. It's greater than divided, so I can choose 100. Which number I will choose? I will choose here, you can choose 10, Kenzie, but it will take too many steps and long solution, so I will choose here 90, because 9 multiply 5 equals 45. So look, equals 9 multiply 5 equals 45, and I have to put 0 next to the 45, so the number is 450. So it's closer number to 475. So now I will subtract from the dividend. 5 minus 0 equals 5. 7 minus 5 equals 2. 4 minus 4 equals 0. So the number left with me is 25. Can I divide 25 on 5? Yes, I can. So I will take the divisor and multiply it with a number. Which number I will multiply it with 5? The answer will be 25. Which number? Very good, Lana. It's 5. Very good. Zen, thank you. So 5 multiply 5 equals 25. Now I will subtract. 5 minus 5 equals 0. 2 minus 2 equals 0. So there is no remaining. So if you add those numbers, 0 plus 5 equals 5, and 9 will be the same. So the quotient will be 95. This is the answer for this. When you finish, girls, please type 1 in the chat. Quickly, please. Okay, girls, so I will erase only girls, I will erase only this side. I will leave this side, so I will solve number 10. Not today, the competition will be on Thursday, girls. Okay, the competition will be on Thursday, so I want you to prepare yourself and study the lessons to win, because there is only 3 winners. So I want to divide now 219 on 3. So I will take the divisor, which is 3, and multiply it with a number. Which number I will choose to multiply it with the divisor? Okay, girls, you can choose 10, but it will take too long time. So I will choose here 70, because 7 multiply 3 equals 21. So it will be close to the dividend. So let's multiply 7 with 3 equals 21, and I have to put 0 next to it, so it will be 210. Now I will subtract. 9 minus 0 equals 9. 1 minus 1 equals 0. 2 minus 2 equals 0. Now, can I divide 9 on 3? Yes, I can. So I will take the divisor, which is 3, and multiply it with a number. Which number I will multiply it with a 3? The answer will be 9. Girls, which number I will multiply it with a 3? The answer will be 9. Of course, it's 3 because 3 multiplied 3 equals 9. Now I will subtract. Okay. So it will be 0. So the final answer is 73. Okay, girls. So we will not solve number 11. Number 11. We will not solve it. So you can take it as a homework. Don't forget to do the homework and send it for me. And don't forget to study the competition. Have a nice day and see you inshallah on Thursday. Bye bye.